What's up everybody, Simon here with Tech Visibility today. Super excited to go ahead and unbox, set up, and review the Google Pixel Buds Series A. Okay, so the Google Pixel Buds Series A are about $100 and they are supposed to be quality. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and see if they are quality in terms of music. We're gonna play a few different genres and songs. We're also gonna make a test phone call and see how good these really are. Now, before I get into the unboxing, setup, and review of this video, I always ask that you guys do the biggest favor for us. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, and check out techvisibility.com. Check out some of our other earbud reviews on our playlist. So let's get into this unboxing of the Google Pixel Buds. Okay, here the box is pretty straightforward. It says Google on the side, has the Google G logo with the rainbow, and these are white. They look like they're gonna be of quality, so I'm really excited to unbox and review these. So, looks like an egg. That's my first impression, but it feels really good. The packaging is really nice. They have this wrapping, which we've seen on Apple products. This feels really nice. Now, the first impression, this is a matte white case. Love the feel of it. It's got this little matte finish. It's not glossy. You can tell the battery is being charged. The magnet, really good on these, sticks right in. A little piano gloss gray in the inside of it, and indicators for left and right. Now, these have microphones on the outside as well. So really neat. Now, they don't pop in themselves like a lot of other earbuds do. So once you put them in, you have to actually position them, which is interesting. All right, so this is how they look in comparison. And the case is pretty nice. So I'm gonna see what else is inside the box. You have your white USB A to C cable. Pretty lengthy. I actually like this cable a lot. I like the fact that it's a solid, sturdy white color. It looks thicker than a lot of the other USB cables that I've actually opened up, and it looks of quality. So this is quality stuff, guys. Now you do get a few other ear tips here as well with this little packaging. So let's take a look at those and see how that looks. So the medium sizes are on the earbuds themselves, and then you have two small and two larger ones, and these are the medium size. Medium usually works in my ear, but we need to go ahead and make sure. So let's take a quick look at the quick starter guide here. So you open the case with the earbuds inside. That allows it for Bluetooth pairing, and you're gonna see Pixel Buds A-Series connected. Now, on touch controls, tap, one tap is pause play, double tap is next track or reject the call, triple tap previous track, touch and hold is Google Assistant. I'm not sure if Siri's is on this, so we'll know once we touch and hold. And that is pretty much it, okay? So very simple. Let's go ahead and pair these up. Okay, so let's get these paired up with my iPhone. Now, I don't have a Samsung or Android phone to pair these up. I usually put everything on my iPhone, so I know that's a little bit biased, but that's the way it is right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair these up with my iPhone. Maybe Google could send me a Pixel phone to review. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me review a Google Pixel phone. Here we go. As you see, we have the Pixel Buds A-Series pop right up, and there was not much that I needed to do to connect. So I pressed to connect and it paired. Okay, so I opened the case this time. Maybe that made a big difference. Let's pop these in. Let's see how they feel. Okay, so the fit is really good, okay? I do love this little rubber piece they include for your ear to just keep them in the ear. And every time you pop one in, you hear a little ding, which is really cool. I could run with these, I could exercise with these. They are so lightweight, guys. And in comparison to the third generation AirPods case, they're very dead on. So if you look at it, they looks pretty good. So here's a closer image. Of course, the Pixel Buds case is a little girthier, a little bit bigger, but in comparison, they're just as good in my opinion. Now let's play some music, right? That's what these are about. Now they're not falling out. I can move my head left and right. these are in so well. I love it. Now, I play a rap song just to get bass, but I also play a different song as well to give a better feel for acoustics. So I can't just judge it based on one genre. Someone in the comments before asked, why do I keep playing rap songs? Well, it just gives you a lot of that bass and oomph. And guess what? The millennials, the younger generations, they love rap music, so why not? I am playing a rap song right now that has a pretty good amount of bass that I've judged my other earbuds with. These are in, I'm hearing them in both ears. And let's see how it sounds. Volume is up to about 80%, 70%. And on the iPhone, I raised my limiter. So I'm up to, I think, 90% on the audio, which is just below a siren from an ambulance. So let's see. Bass is good, but it's a lower bass. The bass is there, but it gives you more treble to come out for the song on this particular song. I'm gonna try one more rap song, but the bass is very clean. There is a boom, but I hear the rap over it. So it's kind of subtle, but powerful. Now, compared to like the Apple or the Beats Fit Pro, that bass is first. So it's almost like it's layered above the acoustics. I actually prefer it this way, where the bass is there, but it's kind of secondary. So I'm gonna play another song here, and a song that I've also played in my rap songs, and we'll see how it sounds. Of course, I can't play it on the screen because of copyrights, so we're displaying some other song. So these are less subtle on bass, okay? So if you're looking for more bass, these aren't the headphones, unfortunately. The rap song bass did not come out as much as I liked personally for my preference. It was great on one song where the bass was in the backdrop, but when I played a song that I normally play, the bass was actually too much as maybe a second tier or second layer. The acoustics were too much. I didn't get that oomph that I like from my bass in my songs, okay? So these are more subtle. However, the acoustics, the mids, the lows were pretty good. It's just that the bass was a little bit off for my taste on the Pixel Buds. Now, we're gonna go ahead and play a good song, and let's see how this sounds. Quality is very good. I mean, it's very clear. These earbuds are crystal clear with the treble and the acoustics, okay? So you're not gonna have an issue with these in terms of audiobooks. I actually made a phone call with these with an architect randomly, and these sounded great during the call, okay? So for call quality, these are excellent. They're as good as the AirPods I have, which are my favorite, the second generation for calls. Okay, so music-wise, a little flat, but again, I just think there's just not that much bass. All right, let's go over some highlights on the Pixel Buds. First is the case, very nice matte finish I mentioned before. The buds fit so well, they're so light that inside your ear, they are ultimately comfortable. When you take them out, there is a nice beep that plays into it. So putting them in and taking them out, no problem whatsoever. There is a right and left indicator on the earbuds. You do need to position them in the case. They don't like slide in like a lot of the magnets. Mentioned that earlier as well, but that's one thing. There is a button to connect or repair for Bluetooth or repair with the earbuds themselves. USB-C charging, which is excellent. I hope the new iPhone and even Apple products all carry USB-C. Just super easy to charge, very universal. I hate carrying lightning cables, USB-C cables, and everything else in between, just to make sure my entire family has all the cables they need on vacation. Now the Pixel Buds have a 12mm dynamic driver, which is really good. So it does give rich, high quality audio. I did experience that. I felt that the bass was a little bit on the low side. Now the flush in ear design was great. That little tab that's on the earbud itself, that's excellent. It's minuscule, but man, does it provide so much comfort and security, and it adjusts to your ear. Perfect fit. I would say these are probably the most comfortable earbuds that I've fit in my ear to date. They create a gentle seal I really did enjoy them being in my ear. I feel like these earbuds I could wear much longer than pretty much any of the other earbuds I've tested without my ear having that throbbing feeling. Everything is with a press of the earbud. Now these are a tap, so double tap, single tap, triple tap, and hold for Google Assistant. You could get the weather, etc. I did not test it with Siri, but let's do that right now. So these auto connect, but they don't play and pause with the Apple phone when you take them out of the ear. There's a chime. These also will not activate Siri for some reason. I've held the earbud for 3 seconds and it did not. I'm sure it does for Google Assistant. It easily connected to the iOS system, as you've seen in my unboxing. They are water resistant and sweat resistant, and guess what? You could work out with these no problem. You can have a great phone conversation with the Pixel Buds. I actually love the fact or the way they feel in my ear. I am stunned by that because a lot of earbuds are either falling out, they're too heavy on one side. These are just perfect. And it has adaptive sound to adjust volume between quiet and loud environments. I did crank everything up to the max, and unfortunately still the bass was not there. These are supposedly great with the mics that are on the Pixel Buds in noisy conditions. The phone call was great that I placed. And overall, I'm impressed with the Pixel Buds. For $100, this is a maybe. I just love the way they feel. So if you want a really good feeling earbud, this is it. If you want the best bass, this is not the earbud. If you want clarity, but you don't mind bass so much, great earbud. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Google Pixel Buds. These are the A-Series. They go for about $100. You could get them in 2 different colors. One is the gray piano inside. The other is a black. I like the gray feel. It looks modern. It looks sleek. Love the matte white finish. They feel great. They're hefty with the case, but not that much bigger than the AirPods Pro. And overall, just a great feeling earbud in the ear. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news, reviews, and news. Did I say news? Anyway, catch you guys here next time.